Oh my god, he does it well.
Yeah!
Sonny, oh my god!
Film it.
Sonny, you've got shit on you, look. Oh.
Everyone to lick it, everyone to lick it, everyone to lick it. Everyone to lick it, everyone to lick it.
I'm going to film your breast. Breast is best! Breast is best! Sonny, you've got shit all over you. And it's like here as well. Ah! Knob! Sonny, Sonny, go start a fight with Andrea. I want to film it. Go on, I dare you.
No,
Not a proper
he
one.
knocked me out.
Yeah, you've got another one, but you know, he learnt clitoris yesterday.
Yeah.
He thinks it's called Christopher.
Christopher!
Fuck's sake, I've got shit on me.
You know what a clitoris is, yeah? Andrea thinks it's called a Christopher.
What? So it's gone now, it's alright. Andre, do you want to fight? Where is he? Where's Oscar as well?
Don't know.
I don't know what's got.
That is him. He's also
Hey, what have you got now? Hey, what have you got now?
sex.
It's not time to go in yet.
Yeah, but what have you got now?
Maths. So,
yeah.
I might as well walk with you.
Bob.
Oh, you got your phone?
Bob.
Now? That was such a loud pop. How can you do that?
Alive what?
Such a loud pop off the gun.